Hello, it's ACX here. Just want to show you another video on the trade that we're looking for here on the pound Kiwi and exactly why and what we're looking for, and a few little tips for you as well. So as you can see here, we've got this Kasimodo level. It was a swing low broken to new lows, lower lows, and then a sharp move that takes out this previous swing high. And now we've come to retest it and we've rejected off of it, so we are now looking for longs on lower time frames. You can see this Kasimodo effects play up here as well. You had the swing highs and then a sharp move down, breaking down these swing lows, and then it literally retested it to the pip and just sold off and had this good sell off now. So we're oversold in the RSI as well, coming into a big support level, so you can expect a bounce here, and this is exactly what happened. Now looking on the 4-hour chart, or sorry, the 1 hour, this is the 1 hour, this is the 4 hour. You can see here we've just been ranging, and we just had this breakdown to lower lows, but immediately we just reclaim this level, and we was actually looking for a long down here, but we missed it by a few pips, and then price is actually broken out now above these resistance highs. So now you can see there's actually quite a lot of wiggle room, especially with the daily chart. This is our next resistance, so we've got a good risk to reward here. Now a lot of people will talk like this, to either buy the breakout, so the close of the breakout, or a retest. We've got both of those, but I just want to talk to you about the fact that on Bitcoin last week I saw a lot of people, as the candle hadn't closed yet, people was actually trying to long it still for some reason, but wait for the candle to close, because all that might happen is that you could just take these highs out with a wick, close back below, and then you just got to get stopped out instantly. So it's kind of stupid try to long before the candle's even closed. So now we've got the candle close, you're going to have breakout traders buying here, and you're going to get people that are taught. It's been quite common for people just to be taught about the reclaim, the retest, and they'll just buy this first retest here. So you can bet there's a lot of people here along this area. I'll try to go for this target here, but what actually happens is if you long in this area here or buy the breakout, where's your stops going to be? Your stops are going to be in this zone right here. So remember now, trading, it needs to be 1 for 1. So for every buyer there needs to be a seller, for every seller there needs to be a buyer. So what actually happens is if you're long, you're going to have to set a sell stop here. So this means there's going to be a lot of sell stops, which means also that someone can pick up a lot of longs, a sizable long here, rather than just buying the breakout here. A lot of big money institutions or funds or whatever wants to buy it, they're going to have difficulty buying in this area. They're going to want to watch and really pick up in the liquidity pool. So what we're looking for is to join that crowd rather than this crowd that are just getting in early here. And it takes a lot of patience. See, there's no patience in buying the breakout. There's a little bit of patience buying the retest, and there's a lot more patience actually waiting for those stops to get taken out and then actually joining the crowd that way. But trust me, you need to have patience in this game. Look for the best setups, don't rush around, otherwise it's amazing how many times I've seen people throw away money on setups. So what we're looking for here is exactly like this: a dip into those stops, a reclaim above that level, and then for that level to hold and then move up. So for example, our long position would be once we see the candle holding. So what we need here is an hourly candle to hold. You can look in a 15-minute or 5-minute for another reclaim setup to give us even more confluence to get long. But your stop will go just below this low here, and then your target down up to that daily resistance. And as you can see here, the risk to reward 5.28. So you're getting some really high quality, low risk, high reward setups. So if you want to learn more, we do these, we throw out loads and loads of trade ideas in our Discord. We actually do have a trading video series as well, so a lot more videos like this and all our reclaim setups, to try and actually just jump in with the liquidity rather than just the majority of the crowd. So if you want to sign up, www.acxtrades.com. Thanks for watching, have a good day.